Wigan Modder here with a quick send-in proof video for Diego N. Diego, this is the console that you send in for RGH service. It is a Corona with a 16 megabyte NAND, so it's not a 4 gig, but it did require a postfix adapter. That puts it in the like V4, V5 type category. We did the sRGH with CR4 speed up, so it is glitch 2 that you'll select, as well as ticking the CR4 speed up box when you build images for it in the future. We've got Freestyle Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed. By default here, the console will start up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Again, all of those software is preloaded. The disc inside the sleeve here that's inside this little paper taped to the top of the console has backup copies of all of your games. Be sure to check out the video links that come in your final confirmation email that has your tracking number. There's a couple of good links in there that'll get you started on anything you want to do with an RGH. And then mail is obviously already run today. It's real late, 10:15 p.m. So this will actually ship out tomorrow. And appreciate your business, and hope you enjoy. Have a good time. Thanks.